So number one, how can you define a simple root in Laravel? And what would be a real life example? Sir, yung kung po, simple root is yung kung ano yung po yung page na gusto mong ipakita, sir. Like example, um, slash welcome page. Then lalabas po yung ay slash welcome lang, sir. Then lalabas po yung welcome page. Number two, how do name roots work in Laravel and how might you use them in a real world application? Number two is like how do you name yung parang in a simple words, sir, like how do you name roots? Ito po yung lalagyan mo siya, sir, ng pangalan, so mas madali mo siyang gagamitin. For example, sir, if the like the if the web address changes, magagamit mo pa rin po, sir, yung kanyang nickname. Then number three, what is the purpose of root groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Um, Sir, ang kan po, um, root group, sir, from the word root group, sir, nag-organize po siya ng maraming roots na nag-share ng mga iba't ibang role and sir yun and rules. Like example, sir, yung kan all admin pages. Like ang ilalagay niya po is slash admin. Then number 4, how does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Um, Middleware acts like guard that checks requests before entry. Then the example is login, sir. Like login user. Like kapag maglalagin ka, sir, then di ba, sir, may confirmation nasa dashboard, sir. Number 5, how can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection Laravel? Sir, ito yung conforms and data. And the CSRF, sir, protects fake submission. Sir, example, reservation form is safe from hackers dahil sa CSRF. That's all, sir. Thank you.